Hey guys, in this video we're going to learn how to add your services during the Wix AI setup. The purpose here is to help AI populate service-based content specific to your business. You want to list your main services clearly. For example, web design, SEO setup, branding packages. Wix AI will automatically create sections for each one. In our example, we're going to enter the following specific to Bright Path Coaching. As you can see, I entered personal workout plans, one-on-one training, group training options, fitness assessments, nutrition and wellness support, education and motivation, workout logs, and progress reports. Wix AI will then take that information and continue to build your website based on the content you provided. And there you have it. You have now entered your services during the Wix AI setup. Congratulations. Thanks for watching.